Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to TPAS Tips. We are still on searching for adjuster jobs. All right. So we're talking about um, certain websites that you can go to search for adjuster jobs. Last week we went over using claimsjournal.com and catadjuster.net or catadjuster.org. And today we're going to talk about claims pages, claimspages.com. I will make sure to reference the website here in the video and also add it to the video's description just in case you miss it. All right, so no worries. So let's talk about claimspages.com and how to look for adjuster opportunities in there. All right. Now, claimspages.com is going to be a little bit similar to claimsjournal.com. But there are some differences. Again, Claims Pages is another great website that you can tap into, not only for adjuster gigs, but to keep your finger on the pulse of the trends of the industry and what's going on. They have really great articles about a variety of things that you can learn from, especially if you want to be a well-rounded adjuster, right? And you want to be able to use your skills in various areas of the industry, build skill sets in various areas, and also use them. You may even fall into a niche skill set, okay? Or a niche skill set, as they say. So from claimpages.com, what you want to do, this menu here on the left-hand side, you're going to go to career listings. And from career listings, this is where the jobs are. Now, again, just kind of like Claims Journal, you may have to look around. At first, it looks like you can't like search for something in particular. You actually can narrow down your search a little bit instead of just looking through this list of probably, as they have, thousands of insurance opportunities, because Claims Pages is unlike catadjuster.net. Claims Pages is for every position in the industry. So whether it's claims, it's underwriting, whatever. So what you can do is right here where it has filters on the right, all of this stuff over here going down is like advertisement and provider listings that they wanted to have stand out, I guess. So what you can do to narrow down your options, since they're not really giving us like a keyword search. They used to have one they have updated the page. I don't like that the search is not as convenient as it used to be. I don't know if this search over here relates to just claims, or they're going to search the whole, or excuse me, career listings, or if they're going to search the entire site for what you're looking for. So let's stick to what we know. We're going to go to filter, and what you can do is narrow it at least by location. So say for instance, you're located in Illinois. You're going to click on here. There are 156 insurance employment opportunities for Illinois, and they vary. Again, you can see from the listings just a little bit of information. When it was posted, this was just posted yesterday for executive assistant to the chief legal officer and general counsel in Chicago, Illinois. For, you can see the company, Allstate Insurance, and then the location. So again, not all of this is going to be related to claims or adjuster jobs, but you'll have to, at least you narrowed the 1,000 list to 156. I hope that gives somebody some solace, and you can go down the list and decide what you want to do or what you want to apply for. And again, depending on the company that's posting the gig, will depend on if it's going to be a carrier or something like a third party firm or a independent adjusting firm. Okay. And you would go down and just look through and see what you can find. Hey, look, they're looking for somebody in workman's comp. I heard that workers' comp is a good niche area to go into in insurance. They usually always need workman's comp people all over the place. And again, like I said in a previous video, don't necessarily count out the staff adjuster deal. Like, even if you wanted to be independent, you can always be staff and go back to independent at another time, or vice versa. All right. So don't think that, oh, I've made this decision, I can't change my mind. Yes, you can. Try out the staff thing, see how that goes. Get the information, get the education, build a network, talk to people. Work your way up in the company. And then if that's just not working for you, then you can always say, okay, I think I want to go independent instead. You have that as an option. Okay. So I'm just using Illinois as an example. Now, let's try to use this search deal. Oh, God, help us all. We're going to see if I put in claims in search on the left hand side, what happens. So it gives me, again, that's what I basically thought. It's giving me everything. It's giving me everything related to that's on the website. So it says press forward slash to focus, but focus on what? Should I say, what if I say claims forward slash and then put career listings? Will that change it? I'm just playing around. No, it did not like that. What if I did the other opposite ways? Career listings. It says to focus. Well, let's just put claims and then, well, let's just put adjuster. Oh, it's not wanting me to, oh, it is delete. I was like, is it a adjuster forward slash? Is that how it works? Okay. I don't know if that did anything. Again, it's giving me everything that's available on the site, not just for jobs specifically. So I apologize for that. I guess, well, there's nothing for me to apologize for. I didn't create it. If anybody's watching this or gets a chance to watch it and you know someone at Claims Pages, or you are from the Claims Pages team, please give us a search button uh, under career listings so we can also filter it by keywords as well and narrow down our searches. I think that would help anybody in the industry. Please bring that back, I should say. All right, so let's try another filter. You can also filter by company. Maybe you have your eye on a particular company and you're like, that's who I want to work for. I want to work for Capstone Search Group. Click on Capstone Search Group from the list, and boom, they're going to give you all jobs that were posted by Capstone. They're actually looking for a crop insurance adjuster in Des Moines, Iowa. So as you can see, Capstone has a couple of positions, mostly in Chicago, Iowa, even Springfield, Missouri, Dallas, Texas. So it looks like they're a little spread out. Everything is not necessarily saying adjuster or claims. But again, you never know. That's the beauty about this industry. Say, for instance, you're like, oh, okay, I tried the adjusting thing. I want to be an underwriter. Okay, well, then go study to be an underwriter, right? I want to be an actuary. Okay, well, go over there and study to be an actuary. And the thing is that the information that you learn from one part of the industry is only going to help you grow in another area of the industry. So explore, bounce around, figure it out. You don't have to be stuck in a position that makes you uncomfortable or that you're just not happy with. Endure it. And that's the cool thing if you go independent. Endure it, get the experience, and then try something different on the next run. If you're staff, then look for our opportunities to be promoted and to move upward or even laterally within the insurance organization that you're already hired with. Okay. All right. So I think that's all that I have for Claims Pages, everybody. It's pretty simple. Again, I don't have a lot of tricks, unfortunately, that I can give you in regards to how to search for stuff. Like I said, you got to make this like a part-time job, honey. And you got to make it your full-time job, right? So yeah, but the opportunities are there. They are available to you. All you have to do is apply yourself and look for it, and you'll get it. Because it's not a matter of if you're going to be deployed, it's only a matter of when. And with that, I am going to bounce out of here. I appreciate you all for listening in, and I hope you got what you needed out of this. And the next video, we're going to do One last website that I know of that I go to search for adjuster jobs. And then we'll move on to some other subjects for TPAS tips. All right. So, with that, hope this helps you all in your growth and in your success. I wish you all the best, and I will see you next time. Bye.